What's up, everybody? I'm Mermaid Marina, and I am about to unbox. Oh, look, there's many. I'm about to unbox my Mermaid Kariel Tale of Art. I'm so excited. There was a knock on the door at 11 a.m. this morning, and that's what it was. I'm so excited. So it is Monday. Christmas is Friday, so Christmas came early for me this year. So excited. Oh my goodness. I can't even take it. Oh my god. Look at this thing. This is my top. This is amazing. Look at how beautiful this is. You see the fins? And I hope my can is getting the colors. But it's literally colors of the sunset. Oh, I can't even take it. I can't wait to wear it. Let me put this a little bit that way. Maybe it won't be so bright. Oh my goodness. Kariel, it's beautiful. So, this is my hip fins, and look at how amazing. Look at what she did. She put bottoms in them. So that way I can wear these, have my bottoms, and put my tail on. And I have my hip fins, and it keeps it on. How cool is that? And you know I'm going to go swimming with just this, too. So awesome. Kariel, you're amazing. Alright, and here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is unreal. I doubt this camera is even showing you how amazing and glitter. And it folds in this box too, which is pretty amazing in itself. Oh. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see those colors or not, but it is amazing. Look at this. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Kariel, you're amazing. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. And look at this. She embedded and put Swarovski crystals on my hip fins. How amazing is that? Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to wear this. I cannot wait. Yeah. And lucky for me, I'm in Florida and it's literally 80 degrees outside right now. I'm going to sleep with her. Look at this. Oh my god. Minnie Mommy's got her tail. This is amazing. I really hope you can see the colors in this. It literally is a piece of art. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, and my top. Literally, mermaid dreams coming true right now. Kariel, thank you so much. You are an amazing artist. You are such a pleasure to work with. You're amazing. You email me back whenever I wanted, needed anything, questions. You are awesome. And look at this. What you made for me is just unreal. Unreal. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. I definitely think I might have to go for a swim today. Oh. If anybody out there is thinking about buying a silicone tail, I must say you have to have a tail of art because it's just beautiful. Like there's no other way to describe it. It's beautiful. And she will make it exactly what you were dreaming of. I told her I wanted the sunset colors and I like the glitter and all that. I mean, she just did an amazing job. I'm so excited. Kariel, thank you so much. I can't wait to swim in it. Mwah. Thank you. And I'm gonna go try it on.